In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the display currency in Google Finance. This seemingly simple task can actually greatly enhance your experience by allowing you to view your investments in a currency you're more familiar with, or one that's more relevant to your financial planning. First off, let's navigate to Google Finance. This can be as simple as entering Google Finance into your search engine, or if you prefer a more direct route, just type www.google.com/finance into your browser's address bar. Once the page has loaded, you'll see a variety of financial information and news. However, to proceed with changing the currency, you need to access your personalized finance data. To do this, your next step is to click on the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the Google Finance homepage. This action will prompt you to choose which Google account you wish to use with Google Finance. If you're already logged into Google in another tab, you might find that this step is automatically skipped, or you'll simply be asked to confirm your account choice. Once you've selected the account, you'll be required to enter your Google password for security purposes. After inputting your password, click on the Next button to proceed. Successfully entering your password will grant you access to your Google Finance account, where all your financial data and portfolio information are stored. Upon gaining access to your account, it's time to head over to your portfolio section. You can find this by looking for a portfolio link or icon on Google Finance's main navigation bar. This will direct you to a page where your investments and stocks are summarized. Within your portfolio page, you'll notice 3 dots or an options icon located somewhere on the screen. This icon is typically situated near the name of your portfolio or at the end of an information row. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu or a settings panel from which you can adjust various aspects of your portfolio's display and settings. In the drop-down or settings menu, look for an option labeled something along the lines of Update Currency, followed by the current currency abbreviation, such as USD for the United States dollar, or PHP if it's set to Philippine peso by default. Click on this option to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be presented with a list of available currencies. Google Finance supports a wide range of currencies, reflecting the global nature of the financial markets. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the currency you wish to use moving forward. After locating your preferred currency, click on it. This action will select the currency and is typically indicated by a check mark or highlight. Ensure you've chosen correctly to avoid any confusion later. Finally, to apply this change across your Google Finance account, you must confirm your decision. Look for a Save button, which could be located near the bottom of the currency selection menu or in a prominent place on the screen. Clicking Save will update your portfolio's display currency to the one you've just selected. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing the currency display in Google Finance. Remember, this adjustment can make managing your investments more intuitive, especially if the default currency wasn't in your local currency or one you're comfortable thinking in. Changing the currency can help you better understand your portfolio's value at a glance without needing to mentally convert values. A quick tip before we wrap up: it's a good idea to periodically review your settings in Google Finance, including the display currency. Exchange rates fluctuate, and if you're monitoring investments or assets in a country different from your currency selection, it could impact your financial overview. I hope this guide has been helpful in customizing your Google Finance experience to better suit your needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Happy investing, and see you in our next video.